he'll give it to us. Cheers. This hobby doesn't like fast token exchanges.
About 60 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Double exchange as well.
Impressive. At the same time as the seat frames.
It's very nice, that budget box and all.
There's one of our famous 25 mile an hour points. So DLR, it's all top limit on all the points, isn't it?
10, yeah.
Safe wear as well as anything else, is it?
Not sure actually.
When the sun's just right, it's a surprisingly good spot in
Between
here.
the trees, yeah.
It looks like a nightmare, but there's a sort of sweet half hour.
Yeah.
Any unseen tickets, please?
We got it with the van anyway.
See that?
Got up the hill with the van anyway.
Yeah. It's smelling a bit warm. Not as warm as when the 6 car went to Buxton though.
It's working again, mate.
It's just the units wearing it.
This might be a request. seat.
Yeah, it's sort out for East London as well. For October, November.
Yeah, I've been holding off because this year our railway's been migrating to hops. I know you said a hops print off would have been preferable last year, so I've been waiting to slightly closer, thinking, well, if we get on the hops,
There's no rush.
I can get
Yeah.
I can get it in that format, you know. As I say, we're just going over this year. They're migrating it in different chunks at the moment, so. Can't believe I'm finally seeing Weyboure Village from the bay window.
It's a strange feeling when it all starts happening. You sort of thoughts about it for years, and then when you're doing things that you've sort of dreamt about. The Cravens and the 104 in 2017. Double departure at the Bury station. When the Cravens was going back on Shed. Now we're going up to Haywood.
Oh, right. That's good. scalding.
I'm in third, yeah.
Yeah, it wasn't going up. So it was fine. It just went. And I thought, well, that's 1 in 97, 1 in 80. It'll probably be just enough for it to lose and drop back. So I thought.
It was alright in third then.
On the
One in
97. No, on the 1 in. It was steady on the 1 in 97. It wasn't accelerating. So I thought, I won't try it on that. So I didn't bother trying on the 1 in 80. It stayed in second.
Right.
The limits of a kind of trailer.
Yeah.
Makes me laugh when these railways with 1 in 20s sit there and go, well, you've got to have a power twin on this railway, mate. So I'm not sure we can have a 3 car. We don't have trailers.
Yeah.
I said to Heath, yeah, fancy a centre car for your mate now. So we can have a trailer. So we can have a 3 car. I think it's 1 in 60 out of Heath.
Yeah.
On a curve.
Didn't do it alright now. It's nice little golf course here, and it just
You've seen now why all the seats on that side get more warm.
yeah, everybody's sitting on the sunny, the scenery side.
See, yeah.
It's the usual diamond, right?
Oh,
Absolutely diamond.
Yeah, that's a local arrangement. Where the track circuit denotes where the track circuit starts.
Right.
It's I believe, not an expert. I believe that's an NNR, isn't it?
Yeah. No, I mean, Connect Network, it's just diamond on the signal like that.
The diamond on the signal is still. That still means.
Tells you that you're on a track circuit, yeah.
It's that diamond's kind of in addition. Doesn't mean the diamonds on the signals mean any different.
Just telling you where the track starts. There's a treadle there as well, isn't there? For the crossing, you see it.
Yeah, it was some sort of aid years ago.
Surprised there's no requirement to blast the arm for that crossing.
A lot of drivers do anyway.
Very nice. One more in there.
Mr. Boxer's singing.